Went up exit point gate up to no big deductive.
Yes, Imimati, the trucks are pre-clearance, the customs. The customs one as of China.
Papers are way customs.
Clearance the van.
Political clearance the van. They notice they end up at customs desk to do now the exit, which is the motor yarding Yakubuda. Genetic against the find the existing CPC. Tikana. Exit it must discharge. Kuti yabuda mabhuzadini abuda so that my payments are not itika foreign currency andika saka apo pa customs point tenda kuti confirm declaration yanayo nezvinhu zviripo kana pane any zvikumeshari madocuments ake then tochipinda muCBZ system to discharge that exit. Then can I remove in transit? Imagine it will be seen. That's the first time I so when it comes here, man, we discharge. That discharge.